Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up email templates in Gmail. First, you'll need to enable the feature. Begin by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner of your Gmail interface. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. Once in the settings, navigate to the Advanced tab, find the Templates option and enable it. Scroll down and click Save Changes to apply your new settings. This simple step unlocks a powerful productivity tool. Now that templates are enabled, let's create your first one. Start by composing a new email as you normally would. Fill in the subject line and body with the content you wish to reuse. Once your draft is ready, click the three vertical dots, also known as the More Options icon, located at the bottom right of the Compose window. Hover over Templates, then select Save Draft as Template, and finally, Save as New Template. Give your template a clear, descriptive name and click Save. Using your newly created templates is incredibly straightforward. When you're ready to send an email, simply open a new Compose window or reply to an existing message. Again, click the three vertical dots icon at the bottom right. Hover your mouse over Templates, and this time, you'll see a list of your saved templates. Select the one you wish to use, and its content will instantly populate your email. You can then make any minor adjustments before sending it off. Keeping your templates current is just as easy as creating them. If you need to modify an existing template, simply insert it into a new Compose window. Make all your desired changes to the subject or body. Once updated, click the three vertical dots, hover over Templates, then Save Draft as Template. Instead of saving a new one, select the name of the original template you wish to update. Confirm to override it, and your template will be refreshed with the new content.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.